Over 78% of people don't trust mechanics, and with scams like this, it's easy to see why. In this video, I'll reveal 13 symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid. These signs mimic a failed transmission, which is how mechanics can charge $5,000 for a service that costs less than $500. At the end, I'll show you how a hidden car feature can save you thousands in repairs. So, let's get into the symptoms. Sign 1. Delayed gear shifts. You step on the gas, the engine revs, but there's a noticeable delay. Your mechanic might say you have a bad torque converter, but don't be conned into a $2,000 fix. When a shift solenoid is faulty, it won't open or close fast enough or with the right precision to direct the hydraulic fluid to the clutch packs. This delay means that the clutch packs take longer to engage, which causes momentary hesitation. While this symptom might make you uncomfortable, the next one can put your life at risk. Sign 2. Erratic shifting. Many transmission shops cite erratic shifting as one of the most difficult symptoms to diagnose. In reality, they're playing on your ignorance. When a solenoid malfunctions, it sends incorrect signals to the TCM or fails to open and close properly. As a result, gears are getting activated at odd times, causing the inconsistent behavior. Over time, this problem will cause excessive wear and tear on transmission components and cause premature failure. What started out as a $500 job can balloon into a $7,000 repair, or you could end up with the next problem. Sign 3. Stuck in gear. You're driving on the highway and you notice that you can't speed up no matter how much you step on the gas. As scary as this is, the solution might be simple. When a shift solenoid completely fails, it remains in an open or closed position. The transmission fluid then gets trapped behind a piston, thus preventing the car from shifting to another gear. While stopping and restarting the car might provide momentary relief, you need to get it checked before something worse happens. Speaking of which, sign 4. Sluggish acceleration. This is one symptom that causes customers to spend a fortune on misdiagnosis. That's because a faulty shift solenoid is the last place a mechanic will look. First, they'll inspect the air filters, then the fuel system, and even the catalytic converter. That's a $2,500 cash cow. By the time they get to the transmission, you could have spent hundreds. When shift solenoids are failing, they won't route pressure to the right clutch pack fast enough. The gear might also slip excessively, preventing you from reaching the required speed. Ironically, your best bet in this situation is something that all drivers despise. Sign 5. Transmission warning light. Most drivers don't even know that their car has a dedicated transmission warning light. It looks like a gear icon with an exclamation mark in the middle. Some cars have a transmission or AT sign. Unlike the ECU, this indicates a specific problem with the transmission. This can be triggered by low transmission fluid, overheating, sensor failure, slipping gears, torque converter problems, or solenoid failure. If this light comes on, it means your car is in a serious condition and needs to be inspected immediately. It also means that you've been pushing off something important. Sign 6. Check engine light. Roughly 64% of drivers ignore the check engine light for at least a couple of weeks. But as scary as this light seems, it's rarely a problem. Whip out your OBD2 scanner. They only cost about $40, so you have no excuse. The diagnostic codes P0750 or P0755 indicate a problem with the transmission solenoids. This is good news because it means there isn't serious damage to the transmission yet. Act now, and your repair will still only be a few $100s. But if you wait until the next symptom, you could be in serious trouble. Sign 7. Slipping gears. There are few things as scary on a highway as slipping gears. When a faulty shift solenoid isn't providing enough hydraulic pressure to fully engage the clutch packs for the next gear, your car can suddenly lose acceleration. This process not only leads to a loss of power transfer, but it also causes excessive heat buildup. Slipping gears can also wear out your transmission's internal components, which can lead to a $4,000 tranny replacement if you're lucky. One Civic driver had to pay $8,000. Yikes! If you can't feel the gears slipping, you might be able to hear them. Sign 8. Strange noises. When you hear whining, clunking, or grinding noises coming from the transmission area, it's time to bring out your checkbook. That's because strange noises are a primary symptom in 45% of major transmission jobs. A failing solenoid causes incorrect fluid pressure and improper gear engagement, which can create a whining noise. When ignored, this can progress into a loud clunking noise due to the harsh engagement of gears. The weirder the sounds, the more expensive the repair, especially if the next symptom tags along. Sign 9. Transmission overheating or burning smell. 90% of all transmission failures start with transmission overheating. If you're smelling burnt toast while you're driving, it's not your breakfast, it's your transmission. An overheating transmission can also smell like burning rubber or hot oil. As the solenoid malfunctions, it causes slippage or hard shifting, which generates a lot of friction and heat. This heat breaks down the transmission fluid, causing it to lose its lubricating and cooling properties. If it's gotten this far, it means you've ignored more subtle signs like the next one. Sign 10. Shuddering or vibrations. Here's another problem that mechanics rarely link back to the transmission. Just like sluggish acceleration, mechanics will take the long way and land on the more expensive fix, not considering the solenoid. Transmission shift solenoids were originally created to control the torque converter clutch, TCC. Now there is a dedicated TCC solenoid. When this solenoid malfunctions, it causes issues with the torque converter lockup. This then causes shuddering or vibrations, especially at particular speeds. One way to know for sure that the TCC solenoid is malfunctioning is if the shuddering also coincides with the next symptom. Sign 11. Poor fuel economy. To understand how a faulty shift solenoid affects fuel economy, we must first go over torque lockup. When the torque converter lockup engages, it creates a direct connection between the engine's output and the transmission. This reduces parasitic loss and reduces heat buildup, which then improves fuel economy. When the solenoid malfunctions and the torque converter can't lock up, fuel economy reduces by an average of 2%. Other signs of a failing solenoid, like slipping or gear hunting, will also affect fuel economy. Put these together, and you could be burning 10% more gas than normal. That can also cause something more troubling. Sign 12. Unusual vehicle behavior. When a solenoid is failing, driving becomes unpredictable. For example, the solenoid might cause a gear to engage or disengage unexpectedly, causing the vehicle to lurch. Or you could suddenly accelerate or decelerate without warning. GM recently recalled 460,000 cars, many of which have faulty solenoids. Some drivers experienced momentary wheel lockup or a sudden downshift to second gear. Once your car has a mind of its own, it becomes a safety hazard. If you still don't get it checked out, there's one thing that will catch your attention. Sign 13. Limp mode activation. Finally, we come to one of the best features in modern cars. When the TCM detects a serious issue, like a massive shift solenoid failure, it will put the car in limp mode. This automatically brings the car to a low gear and reduces speed significantly. Limp mode is designed to prevent further damage to the transmission. Once activated, your only option is to drive to a shop or wait for a tow. Here's the good news. 70% of vehicles entering limp mode due to transmission issues do so because of electrical faults. This means that you don't have to spend a fortune replacing the entire transmission system. Swap out your solenoids and your car might be as good as new. As you have seen, ignoring a small part like the shift solenoid can shorten your car's lifespan and cause expensive repairs. If you don't want to waste a fortune on mechanics, watch our next video, 17 secrets that make cars last forever.